All right, so if you are a GrooveFunnels user and you need some support because you're having a hard time navigating through the suite of applications, or you just have a challenge that needs to be met and needs to be handled, Milon Mia is your guy. The guy is incredible, very knowledgeable. He knows Groove like the back of his hand. And he's even created a consulting website, as you can see right here, where he offers you a 1 hour, 2 hour session, or 5 hour implementation session. And his pricing is actually very reasonable when you think of the power that you have behind you with a guy like Milon. So I'm one of the original backers of Groove. I struggled in the beginning. When I found Milon, it was like the Holy Grail for me. He fixed everything I needed fixed, and he did it efficiently and for reasonable price. I strongly recommend Milon Mila, and his website is millsales.com.au/consulting. Go visit his site. You'll see he's the man. Ciao.